Grade 11, Unit 10, Vocabulary. Lesson 1 and 2. Attached, attached, attached. Automatically, automatically, automatically. Cloth, cloth, cloth. Collide, collide, collide. Cushion, cushion, cushion. Detect, detect, detect. Diluted, diluted, diluted. Feasible, feasible, feasible. Inflate, inflate, inflate. Plug, plug, plug. Restraint, restraint, restraint. Safeguard, safeguard, safeguard. Strain, strain, strain. Strip, strip, strip. Vehicle, vehicle, vehicle. Warning, warning, warning. Lesson 3 Workbook. Bias, bias, bias. Collision, collision, collision. Considerably, considerably, considerably. Foolproof, foolproof, foolproof. Retain, retain, retain. Skid, skid, skid. Lesson 4 and 5. Acquainted with, acquainted with, acquainted with. Cautious, cautious, cautious. Confidential, confidential, confidential. Daydream, daydream, daydream. Decelerate, decelerate, decelerate. Deviate, deviate, deviate. Disregard, disregard, disregard. Drag, drag, drag. Falsehood, falsehood, falsehood. Fundamental, fundamental, fundamental. Inexperienced, inexperienced, inexperienced. Intentional, intentional, intentional. Overcome, overcome, overcome. Perseverance, perseverance, perseverance. Securely, securely, securely. Shred, shred, shred. Slam into, slam into, slam into. Toothy, toothy, toothy. Unsung, unsung, unsung. Venomous, venomous, venomous. watchful, watchful, watchful. Lesson 7 and 8. CEO, CEO, CEO. Emergency services, emergency services, emergency services. Fire drill, fire drill, fire drill. Monkfish, monkfish, monkfish. Object to, object to, object to. Over the moon, over the moon, over the moon. Wed to, wed to, wed to.